Are you trying to figure out whether NordVPN or Hide? VPN is the right choice for you. Should you pay for a premium VPN like NordVPN or stick with the best free VPN option, Hide Me? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, we'll break down the key differences between NordVPN's premium features and Hide, VPN's free plan to help you make an informed decision. Stick around till the end for a better alternative that could save you money and give you more value. Let's start with NordVPN. First thing, NordVPN has an extensive server network, over 5,500 servers in 59 countries. This means you'll have great options for speed and stability, no matter where you are. The performance is solid across the board, especially if you're into streaming or gaming. You're likely to have a fast, reliable connection, even on servers across the globe. Next thing, one of NordVPN's standouts is its security features. It's packed with military-grade encryption, a kill switch, and additional features like double VPN and Onion over VPN for extra privacy. For anyone who's really privacy conscious, these features are a huge plus. NordVPN is also headquartered in Panama, meaning it's outside the 5/9/14 ISE alliance, giving you an added layer of privacy protection. However, not everything is perfect with NordVPN. First, it's not the cheapest option out there. The premium features come with a price tag that could be steep for some, especially if you're just looking for a basic VPN service. Plus, while it excels at streaming, there have been occasional issues with it bypassing firewalls in some countries. So, if you're relying on it in regions with heavy internet censorship, it might be hit or miss. Now, let's compare that to Hide Me, a VPN that's one of the best free options available. The first thing you need to know is that Hide Me offers a free plan with no ads, which is a big win in the VPN world. You get 10 gigabytes of free data per month, which is pretty decent if you're a casual user, but definitely not enough if you're a heavy user. But it does give you a taste of what a VPN can do without any commitment. Moving on, Hide Me offers a solid security setup, including AES, 256 encryption, a kill switch, and support for multiple VPN protocols. So, it's not just a free VPN that cuts corners, it's a legitimate option in terms of privacy and protection. That said, Hide Me's free plan only gives you access to a limited number of servers, just 5 countries. If you need more server options, you'll need to upgrade to their premium plan. But here's the catch with Hide Me, despite its strengths, the free plan is pretty restrictive. Once you use up your 10 gigabytes of data, that's it, no more free VPN. And while the premium plan is affordable, it's still a trade-off when compared to something like NordVPN's premium options. Hide Me also doesn't have the same speed or server network that NordVPN does, so if you're looking for optimal performance across the board, it might not cut it. So, which VPN comes out on top? Well, both NordVPN and Hide Me have their strengths. NordVPN excels in speed, server variety, and advanced features, but it comes with a higher price tag. Hide Me, on the other hand, provides solid security and privacy with its free plan, but the limitations could leave you wanting more if you need additional features or more data. Now, here's the thing. After trying both of these VPNs and exploring some alternatives, I've found a better option for those looking for the best value without compromising security or performance. If you want a service that beats both NordVPN and Hide Me when it comes to flexibility, pricing, and premium features, then check out the link in the description. You'll get exclusive access to the best free trial, so you can experience the full benefits for yourself with no strings attached. Don't miss out on this. Click the first link in the description for the best deal that's only available to our viewers.